It happens time to time that you turn on your PC, open the Steam to play some games, and you see this error telling you Steam is having trouble connecting to the Steam servers. That's when you say this and go to the YouTube to find a way out of it. And that's when you see tons of videos about Steam server connection errors. You can just watch them one by one with the probability of ending up disappointed and confused like this, or you click on a complete video focusing on common errors and their solutions and you will be like this. Hello guys, this is FixTube and I'm here to ensure you that this video is more than enough to have all Steam application common connection errors fixed, which means you will barely need another video or article for fixing Steam server connection failed errors. Don't need to be worried after seeing this. Whatever the reason is, it is 100% solvable. Here I will attach a solution in two parts: initial fixes and technical fixes. Both sections have several individual fixes. There are 3 initial fixes and 9 technical fixes for you. Initial fixes help you as a first-hand solution without entering into deep. You can apply the fixes easily. I will attach the fixes in detailed below. Fix 1. Reboot network connection. When you confront the issue, you will need to reboot the network connection first. According to the experience of the other Steam users, it will work like a magic to resolve the issue. To reboot the network connection like a router or modem, you have to power off the device and unplug the cable. Then leave the device for a minute. After that, inject the cable and power it. Finally, check the issue. If you still get the error message, you need to move forward. Fix 2. Inspect Steam server status. The Steam server may be down and the error message will appear accordingly. So if you face the error over and over, you have to check the Steam server. Will it be down or not? If it is down, you will have to wait. Generally, the situation will valid for only a few moments. So keep patience until the server becomes active again. If the fix is not applicable from your side, you will follow the last initial fix. Fix 3. Run the program as an administrator. In some cases, the error may occur for the lack of accessibility to run Steam. So when none of the upper fixes help you to get rid of the error, you will have to run Steam as an administrator. I will attach the details for you. Step 1. Right-click on the Steam app icon. Accordingly, several options appear in the context menu. Look at the bottom of the list. You'll find the Properties option here. You'll have to click on it. Step 2. Consequently, the Steam Properties windows will appear on the screen. Here you'll need to tap the compatibility, then mark on the Run this program as an administrator box. After that, click on Apply and OK at the end. Hopefully, it will resolve the issue and you can use the Steam errorlessly. But in case the error message still prompts, you have to apply the technical fixes I'll tell you after this. When the initial fixes do not succeed to resolve the discussed issue, you'll need to apply some technical fixes. Let's explore the fixes. Fix 1. Remove Windows Defender Firewall restriction. Sometimes Windows Defender Firewall will block Steam partially or fully. For this reason, the discussed error can occur. In this case, you need to remove the firewall restriction. I will attach the process. Step 1. Tap the Windows and R keys together. Accordingly, the run will appear on the screen. You have to copy the below text and paste it into the open bar. Control firewall.cpl, then press OK. Step 2. Consequently, the control panel-based Windows Defender Firewall window will become evident. Then you have to click on the Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall option from the left menu. Step 3. Then find and select the Steam app from the list. If it does not appear in the list, click on the Change Setting first and then the Allow another app option. Step 4. As a result, the Add an app be visible. Here you need to browse the path where Steam exists, then tap the Add tab and follow the on-screen direction to complete the process. Consequently, the firewall restriction for Steam will be dropped. Finally, try to open Steam errorlessly. If the Steam still exists, you will have to move to the next fixes. FixTube Update Driver. If any update is required for the network adapters, the issue may create. So, when you face the issue, you will have to update the network adapter to fix the error. To do so, you need to apply the following steps. Step 1. Right-click on the Start menu, then select the Device Manager from the appeared list. Step 2. Consequently, the Device Manager will become evident. Then you have to find out the network adapters from here and expand it. After that, right-click on the network connector and choose the Update Driver option from the appeared context menu. In the end, choose your own, either update the driver manually or automatically. Follow the on-screen direction to complete the process successfully. If the fix is not valid from your side, you'll need to follow the next one. Fix 3. Customize IP configuration. You can solve this network-related error by customizing your IP configuration. I will include the process below. Step 1. Tap the Windows key and type CMD accordingly. The preface of the command prompt will be visible. You have to choose the Run as Administrator option from here. Step 2. Next, the Administrator command prompt window will appear after reconfirmation, and copy the BLOB command and paste it onto the window. Then hit the Enter key. It will take some time to complete the flush DNS. Step 3. Again, you have to work with the Administrator command prompt. Then you need to copy the BLOB command and paste it into the windows as a continuous process. IP config renew. Then hit the Enter and wait until the process is completed. Finally, you need to take a follow-up on the issue. If it still appears on opening Steam, you'll need to look forward. Fix 4. Reset Winsock. If the catalog of data like Winsock is corrupted or missing any data, the discussed error may occur. In this case, you need to reset Winsock. To do so, you need to follow the BLOB process. You have to work with the command prompt again. To apply the process, open the Administrator command prompt window, then copy the BLOB commands one by one and paste them into the window. You have to press Enter each time you paste a single command. NETSH space Winsock space reset and NETSH space WinHTTP space reset space The process will take some time to complete successfully. You have to examine the issue after the process has been completed. If the message prompts again, you'll have some other options to fix the issue. Fix 5. Run Steam through TCP protocol. Run Steam through TCP protocol is a proven way to get released from the error. I will attach a process below to how you can activate the TCP protocol. Step 1. Right-click on the Start menu, then select Task Manager from the appeared list. Step 2. As a result, the Task Manager window will become evident. Tap the Startup tab from the top menu bar, then select Applications one by one from the list and click on Disable for all. Step 3. In this stage, you have to restart the PC. Step 4. When the PC starts, you have to right-click on the Steam app icon and select Properties from the appeared list. Step 5. That can tap the Shortcut tab. Then you have to make some changes to the target box. Input a space on the right side of the existing task and type this. Then you tap the OK tab. Finally, take initiative to launch Steam. It will sound good if Steam opens without error, but if the error message prompts again, you'll have to move to the next one. Fix 6. We create the BLOB file, rarely used, but you can apply this fix to free from the error. It will be easy to apply. Firstly, close Steam and related applications. Secondly, go to the Steam folder location. Most probably, you will find it inside the program files of C drive. Thirdly, look for the client registry.blob file. Fourthly, change the file name to client registry old.blob. Lastly, restart the PC and allow Steam to recreate the new blob file. Finally, recheck the issue with trying to launch Steam again. If you fail to launch it and the message still appears, you will have only a few other fixes to apply. Fix 7. Check for Windows Update. Required Windows Update may be a reason for appearing the error message. So, let's have a check for a Windows Update. I will attach the process below. Step 1. Tap the Windows and I keys together. As a result, you will get to the setting window access. From here, you'll have to enter Update and Security. Step 2. Then select the Windows Update section from the left side menu. Step 3. After that, look at the right side portion here. You'll see the Check for Updates option. Click on it. If any update is available, take the proper step to download and install it. On the other hand, if there is no available update, you'll have to apply the next fix. Fix 8. Update Steam. Keeping Steam up to date is as much important as the Windows update, so when you face the discussed error, check the Steam update to get rid of it. To do so, navigate to the Steam official website and search for any available updates. If there's any, you'll have to download and install it. Fix 9. Reinstall Steam. When none other fixes help you to resolve the error, you'll have to reinstall the Steam app as the last option. To reinstall it, you'll need to uninstall it first. I will attach the full process below. Step 1. Tap the Windows and R keys together. Consequently, the Run window will appear. You have to type appwiz.cpl into the open bar, then press OK. Step 2. Next, the uninstall or change a program section will become evident. Find and right-click on Steam, then click the Uninstall tab. It may take a couple of seconds to complete. Step 3. After that, go to Steam's official website and you'll find the Install Steam section here. Click on it and follow the on-screen direction to reinstall the app. Hopefully, you will use Steam errorlessly after it. Thank you for watching this video, and as you're watching this till end, I assume that you've liked this, and I wish it was practical for you. You can also subscribe our channel to be aware of future useful videos. After fixing this error, you can also watch this movie in order to have a faster connection while you're playing an online game on different platforms.